Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can add shortcuts in Google Drive. Shortcut is like a link to a file or folder that lives somewhere else. As an example, let's say I would like to link this folder in some different folder. What I can do, I can basically select the folder or the file you want to link, right click, organize, and click on add shortcut. Here you want to choose where you want to add this shortcut to. If you have some maybe shared folders, you can link it to them as well. I'm gonna use my drive. I will double click on it and we want to link this to my work folder, add. And now if I open this work folder, you can see we have this test folder here linked and it has this arrow. So now if I, for example, click on this, it should redirect you to that folder and you can see linked to the work folder. So this is how you can add shortcut. Now, in case if you are linking the file, so let's say we can link this file. I'm going to click on add shortcut. I can link it to the work folder. The thing is that if you open through this shortcut and you edit something, it will update everywhere. So this doesn't work like copy of your document. And later, if you want to maybe remove this shortcut, you can just basically select it and you can right click, you can move this to the bin. And it's not going to delete your files or original files or folders, only the shortcuts. If you found this video helpful, how you can add shortcut in Google Drive, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.